Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, HID headlights. Come take a test drive today.